Good morning, grade 4. Today we are going to learn about adverbs. Okay, so you know the different parts of speech. We've already done some. You know what nouns are? We know that nouns are naming words. So what are nouns? Naming words. They tell you the names of different things, of people, of places, of animals and things. Okay, so a noun is a naming word. Then you also learned about adjectives. Okay, adjectives. And what do adjectives do? They tell you more about a noun. So they're describing words. Okay, they give you more information about a noun. For example, I can say pen. Pen is a naming word. Why? It's telling me the name of this thing. Okay, here is a thing. It's called a pen. So pen is a noun. And if I want to describe, to say a lot about this pen, I can say a black pen. So black is an adjective. I can say a thin pen. So that is also a word describing the pen. So that is also an adjective. I can say what should I say? Okay, I can say a big board, a big board. So big is telling us more about this board. So those are all adjectives. So what do adjectives do? Adjectives tell us more about a noun. Okay, adjectives tell us more about a noun. They describe a noun. Then you already know something called verbs. Verbs are action words. They are something that you do, action, when you do something. For example, I am now talking. So that is a verb. I am holding this. Okay, so what am I doing? I'm holding. So that is a verb. What am I doing? I'm standing. So that is a verb. Standing, holding, talking. These are all verbs. What are they? They are action words. So a noun is a naming word. An adjective is a describing word, and a verb is an action word. Okay, it's a doing word. So what about adverbs? Okay, adverbs, they actually describe adverbs. Let me take another page. So adverbs describe or modify or you can say give more information about. Okay, verbs, adjectives, or another adverb. Alright? So adjectives will give you more information, or they describe a verb, an adjective, or and. So let me give you a sentence about how to understand adverbs. For example, if I say Tony spoke. Okay, so spoke is a verb, isn't it? Tony is speaking. Past tense of speak is spoke. Tony spoke. So, and we know this is a verb. Why? Because it is an action word. Tony is speaking. And what is Tony? Tony is the name of a boy. So that's a noun. Okay, it's a naming word. So Tony is a noun, and spoke is a verb. So supposing I say Tony spoke softly. Tony spoke softly. Okay, so then spoke is being described. How did Tony speak? He spoke softly, or he spoke loudly, or he spoke clearly. Okay, so those words which are telling us more about the verb, that is an adverb. Okay, so an adverb will tell you more about a verb. So adverbs tell you more about a verb. So another very interesting point is that most adverbs, they end with ly. Clearly, mostly, surely, certainly. All the words which end with ly are usually adverbs. Okay. So how did Tony speak? He spoke softly, or he spoke clearly, or he spoke loudly, alright, or he spoke harshly. So those words which describe a verb. So spoke is a verb, and this adverb describes the verb. Alright. Now, supposing you want to have an adverb which is describing an adjective. Okay. So you can say Sally is a tall girl. Alright. Sally is a name of a girl, and girl is also the name of a person. Okay, so a girl is a noun, and what is tall? Tall is an adjective. Why? Because tall is telling us more about, to describe more about this adjective. Tall is an adjective, but you want to say something more about that tall. Okay, an adjective tall, you want to say something more about it, so you can say very. Okay, so very is an adverb. So I can say she is a very tall girl, or is quite a tall girl, quite a tall girl, or is really tall, she's really tall. So tall is an adjective, but when I use words like quite, very, really, mostly, okay, those are all adverbs. Adverbs which are describing a adjective. Okay, an adjective which is being described by an adverb like very, slow, quite, mostly, really. Okay, so those are all adverbs which are describing an adjective. Okay. So now you can also have an adverb which is describing another adverb. So for example, if I say the movie finished quickly. Okay, so now you know quickly is an adverb. How did the movie finish? The movie finished quickly. So finished is a verb, right? Finished is an action verb. Movie is the name of something that you saw. Alright. So the movie finished when it finished quickly. So an adverb which is telling you more about another adverb. For example, you all know quickly, because we remember all words which end with ly, or mostly words which end with ly, are all adverbs. Words which end with ly are adverbs. So you know this is an adverb. But suppose you say the movie finished too quickly, or very quickly, or really quickly. Those are adverbs which are describing another adverb. So you can have an adverb describing a verb. So verb, this is spoke, is a verb. Softly is describing spoke. Then here is an adjective tall, and very is telling us more about tall. So an adverb describing an adjective. And here is another adverb, quickly. And this word too quickly. Too is telling us more about quickly. How quickly? Too quickly, or really quickly, or very quickly. So those are all adverbs describing an adverb. Another way of finding out adverbs is, you can ask questions like how. How did it finish? It finished quickly, or it finished slowly. Okay. So how? Okay. Where did it go? Okay, so where did it go? So you can say places. So outside, inside, here, there. They're all adverbs. Then adverbs, you can also ask the question when. So you can say today. Okay, today, yesterday. Okay, so adverbs will answer the question how, where, when. Alright. So thank you.